Everyone, in this video I am going to start MySQL from the very beginning and how we can use it in a program and how we can create a table in a database and how to create database in a understanding way, and I will demonstrate everything step by step so you make sure we continue that can be useful to you. So this command line 8.0 version command line is a ways where you will execute your program. You can download from the Chrome and give the password to the variable environment variable, and that's it. And then here will requires a password that you have to give here. Password is I have like this 2023, like 2023. Here we go. And now their first command is show the database or create a database. So how you will create a database? So I have a multiple database here available, like so databases. You can see these are the databases, okay, and have a name like NLDB, build system, book, database 1 2 demo. These are the database name. And if you want to create another database, so just write the simple create database, name it my new database, right? You will see query okay, one row affected. It means your database has been created in your database. So let's see where is your new database. And again, you will have to command right here show database is okay. This is the command show databases. It will show your all the data that database that will be available in your date in your memory, okay. So here you can see the what we had cleared my new databases. So you will appear here somewhere my new, here you can see this one my new databases. So now what we have to do, if we have to use this database, then what we will have, another command is second command is use database. So we will write here use my new databases, right? Database only, the name you have to write clearly. If you have misspelling mis mistakes, then you will find the error, right? And semicolon and enter. The one message you got that is database change. What is the what does it mean? Yeah, means database has been changed. Mean you can use this database. How we will create? So syntax is create table students, right? And int is what type of id, int integer type id I am creating here, means auto increment. If I want, then we can give the uh, statement here. We can give the auto increment, so we will give the auto increment and primary key. What does it mean? The primary key means it will start from the one, and auto increment means auto automatically increase the index of the id, okay. Means number will increase 1 2 3 4 as you will insert the data in the table, right? So this is the way to creating the id in the table, in a database table, okay. Just keep in mind. And again another things I'm going to create a table inside another column, that is name, and type is worker. Worker means is a variable type. that you can give the character type, string type of creating a variable name. How much 100 means not null, not null. Name worker 100 not null. What does it mean? That means the name will be 100 name always stored here, and the not null, not null means these columns should not to be null. This not null demonstrate this. Okay, if you write the age int, next column is age int, and so on. I'm not feeling like this. Whatever message if you want, you can give email. These are the columns I'm creating here, and column type worker and 100, right? And unique, it should be unique. It should not to be same that email that matches the another person ID. Okay, this type of uh, email should be means unique. What type of email will be unique? So that the things I written here. Another thing is admission date up, means admission date. Also admission date, right? And date is date type, so we will have to write here date, right? Just write as I am writing here. So as you will enter, you will see your table has been created. Enter, you will see the message will appear here. Yeah, you can see the query okay and 0 rows affected, 6.5 seconds. What does it mean? Means your query has been created. So if you want to see the table inside the database, so we can see here like this: from select from students, right? Empty means your table is empty. Now we, if we want to describe the table data, then we will have to write DESC, means describe a student, right? You can describe. ID is int on primary, by default null, auto increment will be, and name is worker and number is null and null, and the same age integer type, email worker, and in admission date yes, and null and primary and unique. These are the things I create given the data type, means all the table name, right? Now we have to insert the data. So how you will insert it is very important. Means you have to understand this admission date means store the date, and emails mean no emails. Now let's insert the data in the table. How will insert? There is a one command called insert in, where you will insert into student, right? You can write here name, age, and email, and admission date, admission date, right? Now one another word is values. What values you will insert inside? Now you have to give the value, like I am giving my name Anil Kumar, and the string will be in a single quote. So Anil Kumar and a comma, and what is age, like 21 integer type, and comma, and single quotation will be Anil at, like this, example.com, right? And also you can give the date, whatever date. It can be like I'm giving here 20 2025, right? And 10 10 and 606, right? 2025 I'm giving here, and just colon. When you insert hit the enter, you will see all the data means Anil Kumar 21 age and email and date will get inserted in your table. This is the way, like, yeah, I'm inserting here some admission means data means I written a right way, but admission date by mistake written a data admission data. So we will have to make it right. When you up cursor, you will press, it will again fetch the same value. That's it. And write this way you can make it right. Okay, and now you will insert, hit the enter. You will see the query. Okay, one row affected means all the data has been inserted in your table. And you can see here by using the syntax select from asterisk from students and semicolon. When you hit that enter, you will see the id is automatically incremented, and the name is Anil Kumar, age is 21, email anil@gmail.com, and admission data I given by mistake the data, but I will also teach you how you can make it as you want, right? And the data date of today has been inserted in that column, right? So I hope you will get understand how to create database and how to create database inside database table, and how to insert the data, how to select the data from the tables. And these things you have to just repeat as I did, and this will help you a lot to understand the SQL MySQL. Okay, so I'll meet you in the next video, and till then, learn it and repeat it as I did, so you will be able to do it. Then I will be teach you the next chapter, next things, in a new way, how to uh, update the table name, update the table data, and is delete the data table data. All those things I will talk about in the next chapter, in next video. Till then, goodbye.